I'm going to make a bet, and I'm not a gambler. I really don't like gambling at all, but I'm going to make a bet that you would not bet your complete financial future on one thing, like say Bitcoin, right? You're not going to sink every dollar you have into Bitcoin. I doubt it. So, question for you. Why would you do something similar in your restoration business? Why would you not work on diversification of where you're getting work? Why would that not be top of mind? In this video, I'm going to talk to you about what you can do to get more diverse, and I'm also going to close with a challenge. I want you to think about taking action today. Simple action, small action, but again, taking some action towards making progress in this area. Because watching videos on YouTube or anywhere else and then not taking action is, look, I get it. I'm guilty myself sometimes, but I really do. When I'm reading a book or when I'm watching a video, I always try to think about what can I do to take action. Stick with me. I'll tell you more. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name's Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com, and I'm making these videos and I'm coaching restoration folks all over the country, owners and their teams, because I'm passionate about helping businesses to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos, and to build something they can sell someday for a lot of money or feel great about passing on to the next generation. All right, let's get into it. The first thing, when it comes to diversification, I want to explain to you why it's so important. Yeah, I'm sure you already get it at a gut level, but I want to try to drive the point home. 1, risk reduction and resilience. I've got so many stories about restoration businesses who have relied on one TPA, one carrier, pay-per-click, and something drastic changed. It's like light switch and the work stopped. I don't want to see you get caught in that kind of situation. So that's number 1, risk reduction and resilience. If one of those goes away, you've got something else already in the pipeline to help you bounce back. Number 2, growth. Think about if you're only getting work from 1 or 2 different types of sources, think about what it could do for your business. This could be the growth opportunity that you've been looking for by being intentional about growing some other way of getting business, some other vertical, some other revenue source. So growth is the second reason. The third reason is value. The more diverse your business can be when it comes to your referral sources, the more it's going to be worth. Everything else being equal, right? If you've got a business that has $1 million in profit and all the work is coming from one referral source versus you have a business with $1 million in profit or EBITDA or net benefit to owner, and that business has 20 referral sources, guess which one is worth more money? It's very simple. The one with more referral sources. So it's going to be a step in the right direction to increase the value of your business. Okay, so what's the challenge? Think about where you're not getting work. Is it agents, plumbers, property managers, adjusters? Think about where you're not getting work, and I want you to pick up the phone today. Make one phone call, even if it's incredibly uncomfortable for you. Make one phone call at a minimum. I'm hoping that you'll make more than one, but just get started. Make one phone call and ask for work. Ask if they have anything going on right now that you can help with, and ask if not, if they'll commit to giving you a chance the next time they do have an opportunity. All right, so I want you to take that challenge, and I want you to email me and let me know how it went. Scott@thegrowthleague.com, and keep watching. Search for other videos on my channel that have to do with revenue, diversification, getting more profitable, building the value of your business. All right, I'll see you in the next video.